Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into DP300 course, a must know for everyone aspiring to be a DBA or data engineer. This course is designed for database professionals managing SQL Server and Azure SQL databases across cloud, on-premise and hybrid environments, and those who are preparing for DP300. In this video, I'll break down exactly what I have covered in DP300 course so you know what to expect, how to prepare, and how this path will boost your SQL Server career in cloud. So you can see about the audience profile and what the certificate we are doing. So this is important. From here, let's kick things off with plan and implement data platform resources. In this section, you'll learn how to deploy resources using manual methods, ARM templates, and automation tools. You'll also focus on configuring those resources for performance and scalability. Super important for real world workloads. This sets the technical foundation for everything else. Next up is implementing a secure environment. You'll dive into authentication and authorization methods in Azure SQL and learn how to secure your data using encryption, auditing, and role based access control because security in the cloud is non negotiable. The third is all about monitoring and optimization. You'll get hands on with Azure tools to track performance, activity, and resource consumption and use that data to optimize your system. Think query store, performance insights, and more. Knowing what's going on under the hood makes all the difference. Speaking of performance, comes the next one. The fourth focuses specifically on query tuning. You'll identify performance issues and implement fixes using indexing, statistic updates, and execution plan analysis. This module is gold for anyone who's struggling with slow running queries. So, DBA magic, honestly. Fifth is where you become a true DevOps DBA. You'll automate deployments, backup and maintenance tools like Azure Automation Runbooks and PowerShell. So you can say goodbye to repetitive tasks and say hello to efficiency. Finally, the sixth one, we will cover high availability and disaster recovery, HTR. You'll implement strategies for on-prem, cloud, and hybrid scenarios. Plus, you'll get hands-on with backup, geo-replication, failover groups, and more. And the best part, completing this course prepares you for the official exam, and this is your ticket to becoming Microsoft certified. This is the chart where you can see the weightage. So now we are going to quickly start with plan and implement data and platform resources. First up, we are going to prepare to maintain SQL Server based databases on Azure. This is the foundation. You'll explore what a DBA role looks like in the Azure world, and you'll get introduced to different SQL Server offerings in Azure, like Azure SQL databases, managed instances, and SQL on virtual machines. Next is about deploying SQL Server in an infrastructure as a service module or IaaS. You'll learn how to configure virtual machines, tweak storage, and networking for performance and set up high availability using features like always on and availability sets. Third, shifts gears into platform as a service. You'll get hands-on with Azure SQL databases and SQL managed instances. This is where Microsoft manages the infrastructure for you. Patching, backups, HA, all are taken care of. This is great for reducing operational overhead. Now, the fourth module, you'll explore migration tools like Data Migration Assistant, DMA, Azure Data Migration Services, DMS, and more. You'll learn step by step how to move your SQL Server workloads to Azure SQL databases. And finally, fifth, this one's for those who need more SQL Server features than what's available in a single database, Azure SQL. We'll focus on migrating workloads to Azure SQL Managed Instance, which supports features like cross-database queries, SQL Agent, and more. Think of it as the closest thing to on-prem SQL, but in Azure. So here you have it, a complete part to master Azure SQL and the first module, plan and implement data platform resources. So if you want to pursue the certificate, this is the path we are going to follow. If you found this video helpful, come up for the next one where we are going to explore each topic one by one. Thank you.